Hi, so I found this really neat image of Africa, and it's a way of showing how large the continent really is. So, on a lot of maps, you'll see Africa looking kind of tinier than it really should be, um, at least compared to when you look at it on a globe. And that just has to do with the challenges of getting things to appear right on a flat map. Now, the Earth is round, of course, and when you try to put things onto a flat map, they end up getting squished, especially towards the equator. And the equator runs right through Africa. So places like Africa will get shrunk down kind of, I guess you could say, unfairly in size, while places further to the north, like Greenland, or on some maps you'll see Antarctica, which just looks massive when it runs all the way along the south edge of the map. And those places are really way bigger than they actually should be. So here's how this image works. Now, behind the blue paint that you see in the outline of Africa, there are a lot of countries that will actually fill up the entire continent, countries that don't normally belong in Africa. So I'm going to erase them little by little, and we'll see what we can reveal. All right, so I'm going to start erasing this part, and can you guess which country this is? We have the United States of America. The United States of America is drawn to scale here, and it would fit right here in this part of Africa. And that kind of surprised me because I had no idea that the United States was about one-fourth of the size or even one-fifth of the size of Africa. It looks like on a normal map that it's about half the size. Let's keep on erasing and see what we find. Okay, let's erase along the southern part here. And yep, here's China. Yeah, China would fit in this entire bottom part of Africa with room left over for Japan to spare. And Japan isn't labeled, but it's the one right here in yellow. Okay, I see another country peeking out here. So let's erase that, and it's Italy. It's our boot-shaped friend. It looks like Italy is right where Egypt should be. And when we erase a little bit more, there's all of Eastern Europe right there that would fit in this part of Africa. Let's erase a little bit more. And here's India. India would fit right where the Horn of Africa is. Now let's see what Madagascar is hiding. And it is the United Kingdom, or England. The entire island of Madagascar is about the same size as England. Okay, let's see what the north of Africa is hiding here. We have Germany, and then France, and Spain all together. So wow, Africa can hold a lot of countries. It's the second largest continent in the world after all, and the first largest is Asia. And that's just by its size. By the number of people that are in Africa, it actually also comes in second place, just again right behind Asia. So I just wanted to show you that. I think it's really cool. And I hope that you are as amazed and impressed and that your mind was blown as much as mine was.